Number 22. What is the word equation for anaerobic respiration in yeast? So, the anaerobic respiration, the chemical formula for this is C6H12O6. So this is the chemical formula for glucose. And it does not require oxygen, hence the name anaerobic. So the glucose gets converted to ethanol, which is C2H5O2, and also CO2. However, we have to balance the whole equation. So if we just put 2 in front of ethanol and CO2, then it's all balanced. So this is the anaerobic respiration that occurs in yeast. Hence, we have to find the right answer for this one. So ethanol is a form of alcohol. It's one of the alcohol molecules. So A looks like the answer to me. Before we finish, let's talk about the anaerobic respiration in animals. Okay. So the glucose turns into lactic acid, which has a chemical formula of C3H6O3, and you just have to add 2 to balance the whole thing. The easiest way to remember this is that the lactic acid, formula for lactic acid, is exactly the half of this. Exactly the half of glucose. Okay. So C6 turns into C3, H12 turns into H6, O6 turns into O3. And you just have to add 2 in front. And that's lactic acid. Okay? Thanks, guys.